If you need to remove the slab for one of our pivot doors, this video is going to show you how to remove the slab. So we're going to start up here. We're going to be loosening this screw here, which is going to take the pivot pin up, and the slab will then become free up here, and we can then remove it from the bottom. So we're going to start here. This is actually going to be a two-man job. One guy is going to be supporting the slab. So Jordan's loosening the pin. The pin is coming out of the slab at this point. So if this screw here is sticking a little bit, there's an access hole right there. You can take a screwdriver, a little rubber mallet or a hammer, and just tap very lightly up there, and it'll loosen the pin so that you can continue to unscrew. You'll also want to make sure that the weight is off of the pin with your second guy supporting the slab. You'll now retighten the screw and drop the pin so that you can lean the slab towards you. So we're now leaning it. The top of the slab is free. Now we're going to take the bottom of the slab off of the pin. So it's important to make sure it leans. Keep leaning it, Jordan. The bottom of the slab is sticking at the pivot mechanism, so we are going to have to put a pry bar under there and pry up just a little bit. So just a little bit of pressure under there will help release that pin. With one guy supporting the door now, if you needed to replace your pivot mechanism down here, this would be where you could access this at this point. Your slab is off. You'll pull your set screw here. You're going to loosen your 10 millimeters and you're going to pull straight up on this. So you're going to loosen those two, pull straight up. You can put the new one right down in. So the new one will set down in there. If this side is sitting up, you can loosen here, and the pivot mechanism will drop down into place. You'll reset your set screw here. So an important part of this is, okay, so we're tight here. Okay, so an important step here is that this is currently in the closed position. This pin is going to need to come into the open position so that when we put the slab back on, it's in the open position. So this will require a bigger set of channel locks here. We're going to get on it, bring it towards us until it clicks into place. It's now in the open position. We can put our slab back on the pivot mechanism.